Hello everybody and welcome one more time here to my channel. I'm CryptoB, and today we have a very excited video for you. We're gonna do a review in a tool that's gonna change the way you approach your crypto investments. We're talking about Tokenmetrics. It is an analytic tool that are taking the crypto space by storm. In this video, we're gonna dive deep in what Tokenmetrics is, why using an analytic tool is crucial for crypto investors, and how Tokenmetrics can empower you to make more informed, data-driven decisions. But of course, before we start, smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, become part of the family. And like this, you help me and you inspire me to create more and more content like this just for you. So if you like this kind of content, smash the like button. Take you less than a second and you help me so much to grow my community. But with no further ado, let's go the intro and let's get to the video. Just for disclaimer, before starting the video, I am an affiliate for Tokenmetrics. So you will find a link on the description of this video. And of course, by using my affiliate link, you help the channel to grow even more. And so let's discuss the fundamentals, importance of using an analytic tool for your cryptocurrency investment. The crypto market is unlikely any other, and here's why an analytic tool is indispensable in your daily trading or on your investments in cryptocurrency. Well, data-driven decisions. The crypto market is highly data-centric. An analytic tool like Tokenmetrics empowers you with a wealth of quantitative data, charts, and metrics. It helps you make more informed decisions based on fact and reduce reliance on gut feelings or your emotions. Second, risk mitigation. As you know, the crypto market, it is incredibly volatile. Tokenmetrics assisting you in assessing and managing risk associated with a various crypto asset. It helps you make calculated decisions, protecting your capital, diversification strategy. Tokenmetrics can help you identify opportunities across various crypto sectors, enabling you to diversify your portfolio. Diversification is a key risk management strategy, spreading your investments to mitigate the impact of underperforming assets. Staying ahead, the crypto market evolves rapidly. By utilizing an analytic tool, you can stay ahead of the curve by understanding market trends and investor sentiment. It's like having a crystal ball into the crypto world. And fifth, time efficiency. Researching the vast crypto markets can be a full-time job. Tokenmetrics simplifies the process by aggregating, analyzing, and presenting data from various sources, saving you countless hours. All right, and before we get into the Tokenmetrics itself, I have been using this tool for my tradings or for my investments as a way for me to understand in more depth about projects that I like. So what is Tokenmetrics? So now let's get into the heart of this review. Tokenmetrics is basically your gateway to a smarter cryptocurrency investment. It's not an overstatement. Here is a close look at what Tokenmetrics offers you. AI and expert analysis. Tokenmetrics combines the power of artificial intelligence with expert human analysis. These unique blends ensure that you receive a high quality insights and predictions. The AI process vast amount of data while experts fine-tune the result. Rating and ranking. Tokenmetrics rates cryptocurrency based on multiple criteria, such as technology, adoption, and tokenomics. These ratings are essential for quick identifying top performance assets. Portfolio tracking. The website mentioned a comprehensive portfolio tracking features. You can enter your assets and monitor the real-time performance, complete with historical data and risk assessment. This functionality allows you to make precise adjustments to your portfolio. Fundamentals analysis. Tokenmetrics take a deep dive into project fundamentals including team, technology, and market adoptions. You can access critical information that helps you to understand the long-term potential of a project. Technical analysis tools are essential for trading. Tokenmetrics offers a price trend analysis, indicators, and oscillators to help you optimize your interest and exit points, thus maximizing your profits. New sentiment analysis, as highlighted on the website, staying up to date with the latest news is critical in the crypto world. Tokenmetrics provides news and sentiment analysis, giving you an edge by helping you understand how breaking news impact market sentiment. So if you like these benefits that I just told you about Tokenmetrics, so here is how you can get started. As I said, there is a link on the description of this video. And by signing up for a free account, you will definitely help the channel to grow. You head over to the link, sign up for an account, and choose a subscription plan that suits your needs. The website provides detailed information about the various plans and prices. All right, explore the ratings. Once you are in, you can browse the cryptocurrency rating, which are updated regularly. This makes it easy to discover hidden gems. Yes, that's what we're looking for, the hidden gems, and other strong performance assets. Access insights, utilizing the insights and analysis provided by the Tokenmetrics to make informed decisions, whether you are a day trader or a long-term holder. Tokenmetrics can suit your specific needs and trading style. Well, for me, Tokenmetrics is a game-changing tool for anyone looking to excel in cryptocurrency investing. Provide the information and tools you need to navigate the dynamic and sometimes treacherous crypto market. So by using Tokenmetrics, I'm not just investing, I'm investing intelligent, more smart, because the platform helps you make decisions backed by data, manage risk, and discover opportunities that would otherwise remain hidden on my eyes. Of course, if you're serious about maximizing your crypto investment, don't miss out and give Tokenmetrics a try. It's an investment that can pay off with time. Of course, nothing that I say here is supposed to be considered financial advice. I'm telling you the things that I use, the tools that I use, the things that I do in the crypto space, the projects that I believe is good, and we can get some good gains out of it. And of course, if I find a tool that is helpful and help me to get those gains, of course, I will share with you guys as I am doing right now. Thank you so much for watching, and if you liked this video, if you think this content was valuable, smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, and become part of the family. Like this will help me to grow my channel, and you encourage me to create more and more content like this just for you. I'll see you in the next video, or maybe I catch you on my stream.